Grandpa has. What does Grandpa have?
Oh, wagon.
What's that?
Never saw that before. There goes. Running away. Got your booty dirty. Oh no. Get my good card. Trying to kill it? Get in. Right now, you hear me?
Get in.
Get in.
Hey, Grandma, help me.
I'll get in there with you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. There you go. Saturday vlog. I never knew that today. Here. I'm looking on your car. There's my friend on one. I'm looking for the school. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it to him. Saturday vlog.
Nobody likes me today.
Next week, I'm gonna start doing it on Fridays. So I don't have to do all that rest. So I can upload videos on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can enjoy the weekend. On Fridays, I can tell you what you're going to be seeing on Saturday and Sunday. Like, I'll make videos on Wednesday and Thursday. They'll be uploaded like on Saturday, Sunday. Or I might record extra footage on Friday and upload it on Saturday and Sunday. Before or something like that, you know, someone comes, I'll record it and I'll upload it the next day. And I'm going to tell you everything. Like, if I know anything that I know I'm going to put up for sure the weekend, like a season, I'm going to put that up today. I'm about to make a video. Alright guys, bye. Watching the Fairy Tale whatever wedding part 2, 2:38 Saturday PM outside. Happy birthday, it says right here on my camera. I'll show you right quick. Let's see. Let's zoom in. It says happy birthday. You see it backwards, but and I look at it. You know when I'm strong. Who's that little boy? Oh, who's that? Get up, yeah, get up. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be uploading a season video about a lot.